Hi, in front of me I have KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. First, let's swipe left on the screen, and here tap on the screen caption icon to open the app. Now we can enable the screen capture right here by tapping the slider next to screen capture. But first, let's go through settings. Here we have first setting, which is no sound recording, and you can turn it on and off. Below you have show tabs. You can also turn it on and off by tapping the checkbox. Below we have video quality settings, and here you can select between a large, medium, small, and you have corresponding resolutions next to them. And at the bottom you have storage location, and you can only select phone. So let's start the recording, and to do it, tap this slider right here. You will see the warning message, and tap start now to start the recording. And as you can see here in notification bar, the video is recording now. You can do whatever you want to record. Then to stop the record, you can pause the recording by tapping the pause button right here. And you can also stop the recording by tapping the stop button. And when you stop it, it's gonna save to your storage. Now let's open the Photos app. Go to albums and videos, I believe. No. So let's go to files. And here we have screen capture folder, and here's our video. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.